It is such a quiet morning.
Yes, it feels like a new beginning.
Wow, look at this RV.
David, is this really ours?
Yes, I planned this surprise.
It looks so big inside. I am ready for adventure.
It feels cozy in here.
It feels like home already.
The beds are neat and clean.
I want the top bed.
Everything is prepared.
The bags are ready.
I will put my bag here.
This map shows mountains ahead.
I feel so excited. Me too. Let's go.
The engine is starting now.
Bye, house.
The road looks peaceful. Yes, it feels free.
Look at those hills.
The trees move so fast. I will draw this view. This is the best trip ever.
Look, a sign to the mountains.
That is our direction.
The road is very curvy.
It is fun. The RV is shaking a little.
Careful, the cup is sliding.
Please drive slowly.
I am watching the road carefully.
Wow, the mountains are huge. They look so beautiful.
The air smells fresh.
I love this forest.
It feels peaceful.
This campsite looks nice. Look, another RV.
Maybe another family. Hello there.
Nice to meet you. These boots look old.
The ground is full of leaves.
The grass is broken here.
I see footprints.
Really? I see them too. They go this way. This print is very clear. The leaves point forward.
Piano fades out gently.
The leaves move this way. I am Detective Peter.
Travel light. Learn more.
Close the door slowly.
Melody slightly to dance.
The lake is so beautiful.
This table is good for lunch.
Maybe we can catch fish today.
Melody slightly develops. Oh, texture.
I see small fish. The stove is ready now.
The fish is cooking well.
Lonely piano pads. Very calm.
It smells very good.
Gentle humming returns.
I am so hungry. Wait a little. I will write about today.
The food is ready.
Let's eat together.
Yes!
Piano slowly fades out.
Woof!
The sunset is orange. It is getting dark now.
Yes, time to rest. Woof! The door is locked.
The beds feel warm,
So cozy.
perfect for sleeping. Good night.
I heard something.
Grr!
Morning already?
Look near the door.
I see something!
It is a dog.
He is sleeping.
Stay still.
He looks friendly. He is wagging his tail.
He likes us.
Are you lost? Woof.
It is okay. He trusts you.
I see no owner.
Maybe he is alone.
He has a collar.
Yes, he belongs to someone. Eat slowly, boy. We are moving again.
Max is resting now.
The rain is starting.
Fog is coming. Max hears something. I will slow down.
The clouds look dark. A storm is coming.
We will stop here.
The rain is strong.
We are safe inside. Max is looking outside. I see a light!
Piano.
Far away.
Very calm.
Turn on the headlights.
Humming returns.
Good idea.
The road is narrow.
I am careful.
Drive slowly, Dad.
I will.
The light is brighter now.
We are close.